So I'm picking up a truck out of here for a buddy, and gonna kind of, there's a taco stand, that's lunch. Anyways, this is West Patapsco Avenue, I think, and it's like concrete, and it is the worst road I have ever been on. That's a public road. But we're gonna pick up a truck here, take it back to the house just to get it out of here so they don't have to pay a ton of storage on it. It's I think this place is like 35 miles from my house or so, but I have more work to do. This was just kind of a I'll help you out type deal. So I'm gonna pull in here and see how long it takes us to get this thing. So if I'm being completely honest, I have never had success with this Copart. Back, it used to be an old location, and God, that was even worse, but now they actually have an office here that is right in front of the parking lot. I don't know if anybody was here years ago when it used to just be like at the bottom of a hill, and you had to walk up the hill like into the yard, and it was like a half-mile walk to the office, which was not like, it wasn't just like an office trailer, it was like a trailer that was converted into an office, and it was pretty bad. There's no trucks here. I'm the only flatbed here. There's a couple tow trucks bringing cars in. So maybe this won't be as bad, but this place used to be terrible. But I thought that was why they used the whole appointment system. There's like bumpers and stuff all in this lot. So the chance of getting something in your tire here is pretty good. There's a muffler. Missed that. The chances of getting something in your tire. Anyways. So I've never had success with this. They're always like real strict and like just wouldn't load something for me and took forever. But being that I'm the only vehicle here, this might be easy. So we're gonna pick this up, take this back to the house, and today's Thursday, so they won't have to pay storage because I can't get down here to get it. They'll just pick it up from me at the house. And then we got to go to Laurel, Delaware, pick up a truck, a service body truck that goes to Ohio. The reason I was going to Ohio was for some power substation stuff, and that kind of fell through. They don't have any of the product ready, so that kind of screwed me, but then I'm just going to find something to bring home. It's one of those deals. I didn't really plan on working this week, but got a direct call for the service body truck, told them a price, they said okay. So, a couple extra $1,000 on a week I didn't really think I was going to work. I can't really complain about that at all. So, let's see how long it is. 1:20 right now, so let's see how long it takes to get this truck on the trailer here. Well, I got the truck already, but they never called me into the office to get my paperwork, so I'll walk up in there now and see if they got that ready to go for me so I can keep moving for the day. So this might be an unpopular opinion, but I think Copart's wait time would be a lot less in the office if people actually spoke English, and when they were talking on the phone, they weren't at the counter on speakerphone. That's just me. I don't know. Well, we're only, 4 or 5 hours behind schedule, but what's new? We're here to pick up this service truck out here in the dark. They decided they would, I gave the guy a call. He's left the keys in it for me. So, get this loaded up. We parked across the street in a big open lot. Well, we got a 7.3, got a PTO. This door doesn't close, but we got 280,000 miles. So it looks like we're gonna have 7.3 on 7.3 action. Let's get pulled over there across the street and get this thing loaded up. Well, here she is. It's a propane truck that has a crane on it. So they're able to unload and load. Guy's tag is still on it. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. And it's still all lettered up, but I would say this thing probably weighs, I don't know, 12,000 on the high end. It's just my guess with the body and the crane. Being a single cab truck, it's not all that heavy. Well, definitely not what I expected to deal with tonight. It is snowing like a son of a gun up here on 68 in Maryland. Not shocked, but it's coming down good. Well, I guess you could say this night got a little interesting. I didn't think there was any snow in the forecast, but this was about my stopping point for the night anyways. But it was just slow for about the last 20 miles. And I'm sure this truck stop is packed. This is Myersdale exit on 68, exit 22. So when we get off to, when we go to the lake house. Not a very big pilot, but I'm gonna assume they're probably packed. Saw a couple campers down here, like people hopping off the interstate that were traveling. Because it's the snow wasn't terrible, but the wind was just blowing the snow right back across the road. It's like as soon as someone would plow it or salt, it was just like blowing right off the road. So I'm gonna pull in here and fill up because it's cold. Truck says 20 degrees and with the wind chill, so I want to make sure I have full tanks and some additive in it, and assess how dirty this truck got. This pump does not have def. The squeegees in the bucket here fell over, so instead of running them over, I'm gonna get out and clean them up. So we're not too terribly bad. Some snow. Here's the truck, so the interior light doesn't shut off. This door is broke, so you have to like lock it and close it and leave the passenger side unlocked. But let me take a step back without falling. There's our truck. Oh. I gotta run up the stairs here because this pump, the buttons don't work to get fuel. Well, we are going to hold out till the morning and see what it looks like when the sun comes up. So I moved across the street. There's a what is this? Where the IHOP is. I don't know what kind of gas station it is up here, but that shit pisses me off when literally we were just parked there because it's snowing so hard. It's not like we were just parking there because like there was no parking, which, you know, there was no parking because of the weather, and people were just trying to pull off, and he made a bunch of trucks move, and then he stood there at the door just waiting for people to pull up so he could tell them to move. Whatever. I'm gonna shut it down here, and there was hardly any parking here. I just snuck on along a side spot, so hopefully we don't get bothered here. See you in the morning. Did I mention I hit a deer last night? See the hair there. Couldn't see in the dark, and all I saw was a mark over here where it went over, but I'm guessing I hit her dead center right there. Put a pretty good dent in it. Guess I'll be needing a new bumper.
This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix. Is this the new kind of sick? Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better. They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter and enter. How much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? And how much more do I have to give? This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we